sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone focusing on the 2025 Oppo A59. Welcome to FK iPhone, the only channel where we bring you the hottest tech drops and real talk about the latest smartphones that dare to stand out. Today, we're diving into the brand new Oppo A59 for 2025. Let us find out if this budget-friendly device can really deliver a flagship experience without the flagship price tag. Starting off with the design, the Oppo A59 feels more premium than you'd expect in its price range. It comes with a sleek matte finish on the back and a refined frame that looks and feels solid in the hand. Oppo has clearly paid attention to the aesthetic, offering a clean, minimalistic look with soft edges and a slim profile that makes the device feel lightweight yet sturdy. The camera module is neatly placed at the top corner, giving it a modern appearance that doesn't scream budget. On the front, you get a generous display with thin bezels and a water drop notch at the top. The screen is bright, colorful, and good enough for casual gaming, binge-watching shows, or scrolling through social media. It's not pushing any flagship display technology here, but for its class, the experience is smooth and pleasant. The screen responsiveness and touch feedback are both surprisingly good. Under the hood, the Oppo A59 is powered by a capable processor that handles everyday tasks like a champ. App switching is smooth, multitasking doesn't cause stutters, and even light gaming runs decently well. While it won't win any speed tests against high-end devices, it delivers a reliable performance that most users will be happy with. The software experience is clean, with Oppo's Color OS bringing customization and useful features without unnecessary bloat. Battery life is another strong point. The Oppo A59 packs a large battery that can easily last a full day and then some with normal use. Whether you're streaming videos, chatting, or taking photos, the power efficiency is solid. Charging is quick too, so you won't be stuck near a power outlet for long. When it comes to the camera setup, the Oppo A59 is simple but effective. The main sensor delivers decent shots in good lighting conditions with balanced colors and enough detail for everyday photos. Night photography isn't its strongest point, but you can still get passable results with a steady hand. The front-facing camera is good for selfies and video calls, with natural skin tones and enough clarity for social media posts. Audio quality on this device is better than expected, especially with headphones or earbuds. The speaker output is loud enough for personal use and media consumption, though it's not stereo, so don't expect theater-like sound. Still, for calls and casual listening, it's more than enough. The fingerprint sensor and face unlock are both quick and reliable, making it easy to access your phone without delay. Connectivity options like dual SIM support, 5G, and expandable storage make it even more appealing for users who want flexibility and speed without breaking the bank. To wrap it all up, the 2025 Oppo A59 is a strong contender in the budget and mid-range market. It doesn't try to overpromise but instead focuses on delivering solid performance, good design, and dependable features where it matters. If you're looking for a daily driver that balances affordability with functionality, this one is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching FK iPhone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an honest take on the latest tech. See you in the next one.